Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share very important tricks and tips, especially for those who are planning yet to go for Expo 2020. So if you're someone who have not bought the Expo tickets yet or you have difficulty in buying the tickets online, don't worry, you have kiosks at various locations in UAE. And after this, when you're ready to go to Expo, do keep these important things in your mind. Firstly, keep a backpack ready. That's cause you have lots and lots to walk inside and you wouldn't want to carry hundreds of bags. Trust me in this. We did this mistake when we actually went to Expo the first time and it was really hectic. Secondly, there are Expo robots and volunteers inside the Expo who keeps on reminding you to wear your mask. So please take an additional set of mask. In case you break it, this would be handy. And next tip would be to carry around 3 to 4 bottles of water. In case if you're going with a family. It's not yet winter. The climate for sure is gonna make you go thirsty. And you have to walk around here and there and visit a lot of pavilion. And a 500 ml bottle costs around 6 to 7 dirhams inside the expo. We made this mistake the first time we went. So don't forget this, to carry a bottle. The next step would be is to carry a set of disinfectant wipes or a sanitizer. It's just to keep you safe, especially if you want to eat inside the expo. Talking of eating, our next tip is do carry in some snacks if you have kids because walking is going to make them really tiring and the snacks are a bit expensive inside the expo. So like take around some biscuits, sandwiches and juice of course. Talking about the next tip, as I said, the climate is still hot. Hence, try to wear comfortable clothes like sleeveless tops, shorts, maxi dresses, so you're comfortable enough to walk around. As we talk about the clothes, that's when the shoes come in. Do make sure that you wear sports shoes, both for men and women. Of course, for the kids too, so that it helps you to walk longer distances at a comfortable pace. Never wear heels. It's a big no. For sure short, you won't be able to stand there for more than half an hour. Also, if you're visiting the expo during the daytime, make sure to have a hat as well as sunglasses to protect you from the sun and the heat. So those were the essential things that you have to keep in mind before visiting the expo. Now, let's see how can we commute to expo. The RTA has launched free expo rider buses via all the Emirates to go to expo. And yes, it's free of cost. That's right, it's free of cost. Do install the S-Hail app from the Play Store. You can comfortably charge your phone because of the USB port, the Expo Rider buses. You have buses from each stations which says like here the Opportunity Pavilion buses, the sustainability and the mobility. So once you get into the bus, you're directly dropped into the Expo 2020 gate. There are no stops in between and you're directly gone to the destination from the pickup point. The next to get to Expo would be via metro. It's not free, of course, but you can actually commute via the Red Line metro. I've put in the stations and the metro line where you can see how to get to Expo. They even say that the metro has a gold class cabin So maybe you can park your car in Jabalali metro station and then catch the metro to get to Expo. So now if you don't want to commute via metro or bus, then of course you can take your car. So the Expo is actually located after IMG and Global Village. You could see the signboard of the Expo 2020 on that route. Mainly there are 4 types of parking: that's sustainability, mobility, opportunity and world parking. In case while you go on the route, you see opportunity parking full, they will show it on the signboard. Then you can actually take the mobility, the world or the sustainability. This is a small example of an opportunity parking. You could see a 09 on a like a stand, and you have a QR code also. So what you could do is take a photo of that 09 stand along with the QR code, and if you miss to find out your car while coming back, you can always ask the help of the security guys, and with the help of this QR code and the stand, they will be able to help you relocate your car. So now I've showed you the opportunity. In the same way, you have the mobility, sustainability, world parking. Don't forget to take the photo on your phone of the QR code. If you're somebody who's having a Nissan car, then there's a Nissan designated parking at the Expo near to the metro, and you can always park it over there, and it's like a first come first serve basis. So get there before it gets full. Once you have parked the car, then you're required to take a shuttle bus from the parking area to the gate. Since we have got the parking at the opportunity parking, I'm just showing the opportunity gate. If you're somebody who have got in the mobility parking, then you'll go to the mobility gate and so on. Sustainability parking, sustainability gate. And yes, we have reached the opportunity area. The shuttle bus drops down you to the opportunity gate, and then you can walk in and you could see the ticket counter to collect the tickets in hand. As you get to the entrance, make sure you're vaccinated, then only they will let you in, at least with the first dose of vaccination, or get a PCR test negative with 72 hours validity. There is a PCR test drive-through near to the Expo, I guess next to the world parking. You can always ask the information center, the security guards who's standing at the Expo, and they'll guide you. Personally, I feel the metro or the bus would be a great idea to come to the Expo, because that's hassle free. Because parking, you will have to park and then take a shuttle bus. Anyways, don't worry, there will be people across the Expo to help you out. Hope you liked the video, and I'm coming with another video where things to know when you are in Expo. So please like, subscribe and share your reviews on the comment box below. Thank you.